Objective: to study about the phyllotaxy. The pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch is called phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy facilitates the leaves to obtain more sunlight. On the basis of number of leaves at each node, phyllotaxy is of three types. They are alternate, opposite, and whorled. Alternate phyllotaxy.
In alternate phyllotaxy, a single leaf arises at each node in an alternate manner.
Alternate phyllotaxy is seen in China rose, mustard plant, sunflower plant. Hibiscus rosa sinensis is the botanical name of China rose. China rose belongs to the family Malvaceae. Brassica nigra is the botanical name of mustard plant. Mustard belongs to the family Brassicaceae. Helianthus annuus is the botanical name of sunflower plant. Sunflower belongs to the family Asteraceae. A special type of alternate phyllotaxy is called leaf mosaic. In the leaf mosaic phyllotaxy, the lower leaves have longer petioles and upper leaves have the shorter petioles, so that all the leaves are brought to the same level. Leaf mosaic phyllotaxy is seen in Acalifer and Carica. Opposite phyllotaxy. In opposite phyllotaxy, a pair of leaves arise at each node and lie opposite to each other. Opposite phyllotaxy is of two kinds. They are opposite superposed and opposite decussit. Opposite superposed. In opposite superposed phyllotaxy, the successive pairs of the leaves are placed exactly on the top of one another so that all the leaves lie in two vertical rows of the same plane. Opposite superposed phyllotaxy is seen in Quisqualis indica. The common name of Quisqualis indica is Rangoon creeper. Quisqualis belongs to the family Combretaceae. Opposite decussit. In opposite decussit phyllotaxy, the successive pairs of leaves are placed at right angles to one another so that all the leaves are arranged in four vertical rows. Opposite decussit phyllotaxy is seen in Calotropis and Ocimum. In Psidium, both opposite superposed and opposite decussit are present. Psidium guayava is the botanical name of guava plant. Psidium belongs to the family Myrtaceae. Whorled phyllotaxy. In whorled phyllotaxy, more than two leaves develop at each node and are arranged as a circle. Whorled phyllotaxy is also called cyclic phyllotaxy.
Whorled phyllotaxy is seen in Nerium and Alstonia.